how to remove a shipping zone on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove it easy and quick. First, all you need to do, just open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings and then go to this one here, shipping, and if you can't find it here, just type here shipping and click on it. And as you see here, we'll find shipping manager. Now scroll down and here we'll find configure your shipping rules, and if you want to remove it, just click this X icon. And if you can't find it like that, all you need to do, just click here add shipping zone, and select anything you want here, select your country or anything you want, and then click submit. And as you see, now you can find this icon to remove it. I hope that can help you because it's easy, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.